Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create an annual report in Canva. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as this really helps me out. So from your Canva homepage, we're going to click onto the templates. Then we're going to search for an annual report. So there's different ones you can use. As you can see, there'll be hundreds or maybe even thousands of templates come up. Don't worry if the wrong date or the wrong colors are on the templates, because you can go in and edit every part of the report and put in all of your own information. You can even filter the reports by style. So what sort of style does your business have? What sort of personality? Are you more corporate, modern, professional, creative, bold? There's so many to choose from. I'm just going to choose one of the basic annual reports and we're going to edit it together. So let me have a look. So you can see they've got multiple pages. So if you hold your cursor over the reports, you can see if it's got the type of pages that you want. If it does, click on it and then click on customize this template. Then a new page will open up, which is where you can edit your report. So of course you can go in and edit the dates. So put in the right year annual report. You can put in your own images. So if you have photos of your business, you can upload those on the left hand side, or you can use some of the photos that Canva already has. So I'm just going to type in business. So if I want to put something like this in there, I just have to drag it across and then that will go into there. And of course you can change up different elements. Like if I don't like that color, I can go in and put in my own brand colors. So if you have colors that you use for your business, you can easily change these up. Maybe I don't want that dark blue, but I want black. I can go through and change up all the blue bits. And if you want to change those colors across the whole report, you can easily click on change all. So then you can go through the whole annual report, put in your own information. As you can see, make this a little bit bigger. You can see it's just lorem ipsum. So put in your own business information for your annual report, edit as much as you want, and then do a final proofread to make sure you got all your own business information at the end. And when you're ready, give your report a name and you can download it and share it with others. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.